I stepped outside on a sunny day, and something followed me all the way. It copied my feet and copied my face. It stuck to the ground in every place. I waved at my shadow and it waved right back. It was friendly and flat and totally black. I said, "Hello, shadow, let's play a game." And my shadow stayed with me just the same. Can you make your shadow jump so high? Up, up, up toward the sky. It jumps with you, then lands down low, no matter how fast or how slow. Can you make your shadow wave its hands over the grass and the hot sand? It waves at the trees and waves at the sun, having so much shadowy fun. Can you make your shadow grow real tall? Stretch your arms up, don't you fall. It gets so big, it's a giant you see, as tall as a shadowy tree. Can you make your shadow get small and hide? Curl up in a ball, tucked inside. It shrinks down tiny, quiet and sweet, right under your shadowy feet. We danced together, my shadow and me, as silly as two friends can be. We spun in a circle, we wobbled and bowed. My shadow was making me proud. And when the sun went down, I knew my shadow was tired and needed to go. But tomorrow when the sun says hello, my shadow will be back to play, just like so.